When it comes to finding reliable GPS surveyors in Mahipalpur, Scon Design Delhi is the go-to company. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have established themselves as one of the top surveying firms in the region. Whether you need land surveying for construction purposes or mapping out boundaries, Scon Design Delhi has the knowledge and technology to get the job done accurately and efficiently. One of the reasons why Scon Design Delhi stands out from other surveying companies in Mahipalpur is their utilization of GPS technology. GPS, or Global Positioning System, allows surveyors to determine precise coordinates and measurements with the help of satellites. This technology eliminates the need for traditional surveying methods, which can be time-consuming and less accurate. By using GPS, Scon Design Delhi ensures that their surveying results are highly accurate and reliable. Scon Design Delhi's team of GPS surveyors in Mahipalpur are highly trained professionals who are well-versed in the latest surveying techniques and equipment. They have a deep understanding of the local regulations and requirements, ensuring that all surveys are conducted in compliance with the necessary standards. This attention to detail and adherence to regulations is what sets Scon Design Delhi apart from other surveying companies in the area. In addition to their expertise in GPS surveying, Scon Design Delhi also offers a wide range of other surveying services. These include topographic surveys, boundary surveys, construction staking, and more. They have the capabilities to handle projects of any size, from small residential properties to large commercial developments. No matter the scope of the project, Scon Design Delhi's team of surveyors is dedicated to providing accurate and reliable results. Scon Design Delhi understands that time is of the essence in any construction project. Scon Design Delhi is the go-to firm when looking for trustworthy GPS surveyors in Mahipalpur. They have made a name for themselves as one of the leading surveying companies in the area, thanks to their knowledge and experience in the industry. Scon Design Delhi has the expertise and tools necessary to do the task accurately and quickly, whether you need land surveying for building purposes or boundary mapping. The fact that Scon Design Delhi uses GPS technology sets them apart from other surveying firms in Mahipalpur. Surveyors can use the Global Positioning System, or GPS, to use satellites to obtain exact coordinates and measurements. Traditional surveying techniques, which can be time-consuming and less accurate, are no longer necessary thanks to this technology. Scon Design Delhi uses GPS to make sure that the results of their surveys are extremely precise and trustworthy. The GPS surveyors on Scon Design Delhi's team in Mahipalpur are skilled experts who are familiar with the most recent surveying methods and tools. They are very knowledgeable about the local laws and rules, guaranteeing that all surveys are carried out in accordance with the required standards. Scon Design Delhi stands apart from other surveying firms